Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. We're your friendly English-speaking buddies ready to help you practice.
So, Ben, how often do you buy new clothes?
Not very often, actually. But, when I do, I always end up buying more than I planned. It's a problem.
Oh, I know that feeling. Same here. And today's lesson is just perfect for anyone who loves shopping or, just needs to do a little shopping.
That's right, Emily. Today, we're going shopping for clothes.
We'll show you how to ask for sizes, colors, prices, discounts, and even how to say something just doesn't fit right.
So by the end of this lesson, you'll feel totally ready to shop confidently in English.
Okay, so before we jump into today's shopping scenes, I just wanted to say that I'll be the customer in our little role play today.
And I'll be the shop assistant helping you find what you need.
Exactly. So you can, imagine the situation a bit more clearly and just follow along really easily.
Yeah, this way it's like you're right there with us.
So imagine this. You're in New York City, right? You're visiting a really big shopping mall. And, you're walking around and then you see a jacket, a really cool jacket that you really, really like.
Ooh, a nice jacket, yes.
Yeah. And you think, oh, I really want that. So you go inside, you're excited. But then the shop assistant comes up to you and greets you. And they greet you in English. And you're thinking, oh no, what do I do? What do I say?
That's a common situation.
It is, but no problem at all. We're here to help you. Let's see how we handle it. Okay, so now that we've set the scene, let's get into some real-life situations. This is where we use those target phrases. So, Ben, you're the shop assistant, right? And I'm the customer.
That's right. Ready when you are, Emily.
Okay, here we go. Excuse me, where can I find the jackets?
Oh, hello there. They're over there, just next to the jeans.
Oh, okay, thanks. And do you sell dresses too?
Yes, we certainly do. They're at the very back of the store, past the shoe section.
So what I just said, where can I find jackets or, where can I find dresses, means you're asking about the location of something specific in the store. You're trying to find where it is.
And do you sell dresses is for checking if the store actually carries that item at all. It's a quick way to see if they have it before you start looking.
Okay, so now I know where the jackets are. That's good. But what if I see a jacket I really, really like, but I need a different size or maybe a different color? What do I do then?
Good question, Emily. Then you need to ask about the size and color. Let's try that next.
Okay. Do you have this in a medium?
Let me just check for you. Yes, we do have it in a medium.
Oh, great. Do you have it in another color?
Yes, we have blue, black, and white.
I think I like the black one best.
So let me just break that down for everyone listening. Do you have this in a medium is for asking about a specific size. And do you have it in another color is for asking if there are, more color options available. Pretty simple, right?
Yeah, super clear. Great. So now I found the right size and the right color. What's usually the next step, Ben?
Well, after that, you'll probably want to try it on, right? To see if it actually fits.
Let's act it out. Here's how that conversation might go. Can I try this on?
Sure, absolutely. The fitting rooms are just over there, to your left.
Oh, okay. Thanks. So that question, can I try this on, is just perfect when you want to use the fitting room to see if the clothes fit you. It's very common to say that. All right, so I've tried it on, but what if it doesn't fit well? What do I say then, Ben?
Then you need to talk about the size. Like it's too big or it's too small. Let's keep going.
It's too big, actually.
Oh, no problem at all. Would you like a smaller size then?
Yes, please. That would be great. Do you have it in a small?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Ah, much better. Yes, this one fits perfectly now.
See? This is exactly what you say if something doesn't fit you well. You just simply say, it's too big or it's too small. Very useful phrases for shopping.
Okay, so now it fits perfectly. That's great. Now I guess it's time to find out the price. How much is it?
It's $50.
Oh, okay. And is it on sale by any chance?
Yes, it is. It's actually 20% off today.
Oh, perfect. Even better. So just to make that super clear for everyone, how much is it is, of course, for asking the price of something. And is it on sale is for checking if there's any kind of discount or special offer happening. Great. But, maybe I also need another item, like some jeans. Then I might ask, I'm also looking for a pair of jeans.
Okay, no problem. What size do you usually wear for jeans?
Size 28.
Let me check. It looks like we're out of that size in this exact style right now, but I can show you something similar if you'd like.
Oh, yeah, sure. Let's see it. That would be great.
So here's how to use these phrases. I'm looking for, and then you add the item, like jeans. That means you want a specific product. And can you show me something similar is for asking the shop assistant to show you an alternative if they don't have exactly what you're looking for.
Okay, I think I'm ready to pay now. Everything looks good, so I walk up to the counter and say, I'll take the black jacket and the jeans. Can I pay by card?
Yes, absolutely. We accept both card and cash.
Great. And can I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you go.
So I'll take it means you've decided to buy the item. You're saying, I want to purchase this. And can I get a receipt? Is for asking for that proof of purchase. Very, very useful phrases for when you're done shopping and ready to leave.
Okay, so now it's your turn, our listeners. Emily and I will be the shop assistants, and you'll be the customer. We'll give you different situations, and you can pause the video to answer in English using the phrases we just learned. Ready? Here's the first one. You want to know where the jackets are in the store. What do you ask me? Think about it.
Where can I find the jackets? Okay, my turn to set a scenario. You see a really nice shirt, but you need a bigger size. What do you say to me, the shop assistant?
Do you have this in a large? All right, next one. Imagine the dress you tried on. It doesn't fit well. In fact, it's too small for you. How do you tell me that? Take a moment.
It's too small. Here's another one for you, Ben. You like the sweater, but you want to know if it's cheaper today. What do you ask?
Is it on sale? Okay, you're ready to buy those jeans. You've decided. How do you tell me you want to buy them?
I'll take them. And finally, you're paying for your items and you want to use your card. What do you say to me, the shop assistant?
Can I pay by card? And here's a bonus question for you. You want the shop assistant to show you a different style, maybe something else if they don't have exactly what you want. What could you ask?
Can you show me something similar? Okay, so let's just recap all those key shopping phrases from today's lesson. I'll give you a quick example or, a definition for each one. First up, we had, where can I find the jackets? You use this when you want to know where something is in the store, right? And then, do you sell dresses? That's for checking if the store actually has a specific item at all. Next, we covered, do you have this in a medium? That's a very straightforward question. You're just asking for a specific size, like small, medium, large, or extra large. And if you want more options for color, you ask, do you have it in another color?
when you want to try on clothes, you say, "Can I try this on?" It's perfect for when you need to use the fitting room. Then, if the clothes don't fit, you say, "It's too big" or "It's too small." Very useful. For the price, we learned how much is it, and to check for a discount, is it on sale? And when you've decided to buy something, you say, "I'll take it." Finally, for payment, can I pay by card to ask about the payment method? And can I get a receipt for proof of purchase?
Yeah, that's a lot of great phrases there. And remember, everyone, don't just read these in your head. It's really, really important to say them out loud. Imagine you're actually in the store, practice with a friend or even just in front of a mirror. That really helps.
And hey, please remember, you really don't have to be perfect when you're learning. Every time you try, you're improving.
Exactly. Every time you practice with us, your English just gets stronger and more natural.
So keep speaking, keep trying, and don't give up. You've got this.
Now, tell us in the comments, what's the last thing you bought? Write it in English, and we'll check it for you.
And if this video helped you, please hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and keep practicing with us.
We're your daily duo.
And your English-speaking buddies. See you next time.